So we just filed a Rule 32 petition, and it's pretty lengthy. It goes into several issues that came about during Mike Blakely's trial, and we've had to wait some time to file this, had to have the appellate process go through some other steps before we got to this point, and so that's what we're doing today. Well, the thing to remember here is that there's a process to all of this, and lawyers have rules that they have to follow. It would be really convenient and easy to be able to file something one day and have an order or an answer, a couple minutes later, but that's just not how the system works, and that's just not how the rules are set up. And so, we're following the proper process and the proper rules and the proper procedure, and that's what leads us here today. The plan was to file this earlier this week, but we had a couple unrelated matters that we had to take up some time on Wednesday and yesterday, and so that's really the only reason that it lined up today. And obviously today's a significant day for several reasons. And I think it's important to note this petition is lengthy, it's detailed, it addresses several issues, one of which being that the judge was not properly licensed to practice law in the state of Alabama. She was unauthorized to practice law in the state of Alabama, and that's an issue that was not addressed during the appeal, and so we're asking that it be addressed now. I talked to Mike Blakely just a couple minutes ago, and he's in high spirits today. This has been a long process. This started several years ago. The trial lasted a month back in 2021. And the appeal process took over a year, and so this is just the next step in this story, in the next chapter, and we'll see where it leads from here.